Good afternoon, guys. It's me, Code, and I'm sorry to say this, but I just realized my channel's name is actually really common, so I decided to change my name to C7 Minecraft. So, yeah, I'm so sorry for the sudden change, and maybe you guys didn't get the memo. Well, from now on, just call me Code. So, yeah, right here we have a fully a high speed 1.11 Herbalism Grinder for Mcmmo servers. Now, if you're playing Mcmmo on a server, you most definitely like to learn how to level up some stuff using grinders, such as sword grinding, axe grinding, um, logging grinding, or some other kinds of grinding. Now, this is kind of similar to my fully automated flower seed farm. Now, what makes this so unique would be the fact that you're going to be using observer blocks. A reason for that would be it will double the ticks of my fastest redstone clock over here. So without further ado, let's just start. Let's start over here at the edge. You need 2 blocks high, dispenser facing up, and we're gonna top it off with some 1, 2, 3. Ooh, a trap one. 3 hoppers there. The chest over there. Let's still collect the bone meal. Okay. Our redstone clock over here. I'm sure some of you are actually, or most of you are familiar with this kind of redstone clock. Now our doubler. Oops, wrong side. Come on. Oh my. There you go. Over here. Now, the main reason why we're using observer blocks and why it makes it better, aside from doubling the ticks of our redstone clock over here. So per tick over here would be equivalent to 2 ticks when perceived by our observer block over here. Now another reason for that would be by default the machine's redstone in the center remains on. So instead of using a line of redstone torches so that it will turn off, and the main reason why you need it to be off is because if it stays on, if it stays on while it's off, and then you input some bone meal, the bone meal wouldn't be able to come inside the dispenser because the dispenser is currently on. So what needs to be done would be the dispenser has to remain off so you'll be able to insert the bone meal onto the dispenser, which is a second use of the observer block over here. Now this is our trigger mechanism and our plant growing mechanism over here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start by making a um, pathway here, a platform here, pathway. Oops, there you go. Okay, one, two. Okay. The center is most likely gonna be a 5 by 5 grass block. Time set play. But we're gonna do the grass block later. Sorry for the noise. I live very close to the airport, and for some reason there's plenty of moving planes today. Now, aside from that, we're gonna be using our fuel detector over here. So for the fuel detector, you just need this over here. Uh, Torch there. Lamp here. Okay, there we have that. Now we're going to be using glass so that we won't be able to we won't be able to make this into like a bug over here, a bud. So yeah, that's the main reason why we're using glass here, so that this won't be considered as an object that can be powered. Now this would be our sensor to tell whenever our fuel runs empty. Okay, now from here we should be able to create another kind of sensor. Oops. Lol. I guess I have no choice there. Okay, and now this sensor tells whether or not the machine's off or on. So this will be our off and on sensor over there. Because if you leave it on, most likely it's gonna create a lot of noise. At the same time, it will create a lot of lag. So you might wanna like, if you're deaf or your volume's off and you live with your friends in the same base, you might wanna turn this off. Okay. Now to finish it up, we're going to have to put chest here. Okay. Ah, okay. Now, what's this gonna be would be our item collector. So since we're going to be dealing with lots of falling items here, it is best we have an item collector. Now creating this item collector would be just oops, fudge, I'm using the wrong one. Take that there, take away. Sorry about that. We need this Minecart Helper. The main reason why we need this is because minecart with hoppers, they collect items items on the block right above it. And it is not wise to break the rail. It is not wise to break the rail simply because it'll cause lag problems. You know what? Let's just tweak this up a little bit. Mhm. Now, we might want to avoid trying to directly turn this on because simply because there you go. Simply because when you turn it on, good. It might it might turn off the hopper there, so I'm trying to avoid directly turning on directly powering the rails there in order for the hopper to not turn off. Without further ado, I'm gonna finish it off with some grass blocks. Okay, 5 by 5, and now a stairs. Okay, there you go. Mm, oops. Oop. Okay. Oh, so our sensor over here is already active. So with our sensor active, we need some bone meal and leaving our sensor satisfied. Here, here's my Mcmmo 1.11 Herbalism Grinder. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and like because it will really help me out. Same goes with other kinds of YouTubers. It will really help them out if if you would like kindly like and subscribe here. Thank you. Bye bye.